am Dr. Isegine Jonathan. I'm the Medical Director of Osborn Hospital, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Executive Officer of Osborn Medicals Limited. I'm the Chairman of Lagos State Association of Nigerian Private Medical Practitioners. Osborn Hospital has been in existence since 1993, and we had operated paper-based registration and patient records. The fact that it's simple to operate and almost every aspect of the departments of the hospital are covered, from outpatient registration to processing and governance of the patients, admission, registration, and monitoring. Then the surgical patients, the surgical notes, pre-surgical questionnaires are quite elaborate and inclusive. My recommendation is that LinkHMS is simple to use, is adequate in coverage, and the fact that it's interoperable between different platforms. The data can be exchanged between this platform and other platforms.
I'm Mrs. Mwenyuchi, matron of Osborn Hospital. Actually, before this LinkHMS entered, or it was introduced by Mr. Amos, actually we have been suffering so much. You have to carry card, patients will come, tell you the card number, you go and start filing, looking for it. Sometimes we will not even find the card. Eventually we end up using a paper before we successfully find it 2 or 3 days. But immediately he came in with this great and brilliant idea of using system by LinkHMS. Everything was like easy as ABC. You can easily see a patient under how many seconds, how many minutes we are done. Seeing doctor was fast, even scheduling them before they know it, they are under the nurse's station. As we are doing the vitals, we are inputting. Seeing doctor was so fast, everything was like a magical, and I was so happy. See, today, I couldn't imagine what my life could have been if this LinkHMS wasn't in place for us.
Good afternoon. My name is Ruth Emuraishe, the Osborn manager and the HMO officer. Before the LinkHMS came up, it has been difficult taking cards from one office to another, and then most times we have loss of papers, loss of documents. But right now, everything is in here. Anything I want is in here. I can link to the pharmacy, to the nurses, to the doctor. I don't need to move from my office. I just stay in my office, do whatever I want to do on the system, and it's boom.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Ekele Gloria Ozamaka. I'm working with the Osborn Hospital. I'm the lab scientist of Osborn Hospital. Okay, I'm happy using LinkHMS. At least it make my work easier, unlike before, where everything will write. But now, at least within the space of 10, 15, 20 minutes, the work is done. At least I'm happy using it. Very, very, very happy using it, at least making my work very easy. If it's like before, I will start looking for cards, for example, asking a patient, did you come with your file? But now, once they send the request for test, immediately I will just click my system, I will see all the whole test I will do within the space of 10-15 minutes. The work is done without looking for a card. At least I'm happy working with using a LinkHMS.
Initially, with the previous EMR I used before I got to know LinkHMS, I think the doctor would be the one to type in the diagnosis, but in LinkHMS they have numerous diagnoses. So just type in the diagnosis, any diagnosis at all, it will bring out a whole lot of diagnoses for you to choose from. So it's there for you to choose the particular one you want. So it's really fast in helping me diagnose a patient.